I saw you yesterday, Christine, and felt no kind of yearning, for love has flown away, Christine, and will have no returning. We've spoken empty words, Christine, each of them hid our feeling. That's why it is absurd, Christine, to think now of their meaning. For I have searched in vain, a shadow of recalling, and in your eyes there wasn't a flame that used to be enthralling. Where was the light that once has shone in glorious beaming? Where was that charming smile that once has filled my heart with dreaming? You fooled me in no wise, Christine, pretending you didn't miss me. I've seen through all your lies, Christine, you've just tried to dismiss me. You couldn't forget so soon, Christine, the love we've shared together. It flew me to the moon, Christine, and let me feather-head it. But you've always accepted, you've never thought of giving. You've loved only yourself, and yet you'll pay that way of living. You may be sorry now, and hope I will forgive you. I feel inside of me somehow I've no more love to give you. Although you've once more tried, Christine, it's useless to tempt me. My love was hurt and died, Christine. My heart and hands are empty. They faded in the past, Christine, the golden days I loved you. But only now at last, Christine, I get myself rid of you. So goodbye, Christine. Goodbye, Christine. Farewell, Christine.